how to create subscription payment option on Wix. In order to do that, head over here to your catalog and then just go to your store products and then click on this products option. Now from in there, this will direct you to the products of your Wix. So if you don't have any product yet, just head over and add. So since we want a subscription product, what we can do is you can edit some product that you have, or you can also click on this new product option. So for now, let's just click on physical product. Now once you click on that, you should be able to see the product editor of Wix. Now just wait for this to load and just fill up all the information that they will ask you. So for example, let's put in your subs. And then from in there, I'll just actually ask you to fill up all this information. So for this one, you can just scroll down and then from in there, you can see the subscriptions option. Click on this create subscription. And then in here, you just need to add in here the name of the subscription. Like for example, let's put in here Pro. And then you can put in your tagline and you can put in here the subscription details. It can repeat every week, month, or year. And then it can expire until it actually wants it to be. Now for this one, I'll just get the subscription monthly and it will never expire unless they cancel. And you can also input right here the discount in money off or percentage or price. From in there, just click on apply in order to apply this subscription payment plan. So that's how you create subscription payment option on Wix. Hope you helped.